Did you know that making food at home is one of the best ways to save cash? Do you feel like making something fresh and new? In this video, I will show you how to make crispy vegan corn fritters. I will also show you how to make a delicious healthy salad to make this an amazing meal. To make the crispy vegan corn fritters, you need the following ingredients: 2 small white potatoes, 80 grams of sweet corn, 2 cloves of garlic, 1½ tablespoons of gram flour, also known as chickpea flour, pinch of chili flakes, pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a shallot or small onion, and sunflower oil. To make the healthy salad, you need the following ingredients: 2 large lettuce leaves, 4 small tomatoes, half a shallot or small onion, dried basil, dried oregano and dried parsley herbs, 1 avocado, and olive oil. Step 1. Let's start making the crispy vegan corn fritters. Grate the 2 small potatoes into a bowl. Add 80 grams of sweet corn and 2 crushed garlic cloves. Add a pinch of chili flakes and salt. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika. Add half a shallot or small onion and mix the ingredients. Finally, add 1½ tablespoons of gram flour. This is also known as chickpea flour. Give the ingredients a thorough mix. Add some sunflower oil to a large frying pan and turn the gas to medium heat. Use a spoon to add the fritter mixture to the frying pan. Shape the mixture in the frying pan and try to make all the fritters the same size for even cooking. Cook the fritters for 4 minutes and then turn them over and cook for another 4 minutes. Before continuing this video, it would be great if you could support my channel by hitting that like button, subscribing to my channel for more awesome videos, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Step 2. Let's make a quick and simple healthy salad while the fritters finish cooking. Cut the lettuce leaves, tomatoes, and half shallot into small pieces. Add them all to a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add a small amount of dried basil, dried oregano, and dried parsley. Mix the salad in the bowl. Remove the skin from the avocado. Use a fork to crush the avocado into a paste and then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix the olive oil into the avocado. Step 3. Check the fritters are a nice golden color on both sides. Remove the fritters from the frying pan and place them on a paper towel to soak up the excess oil. Arrange the food nicely on a plate and add a few optional fresh olives. Remember, 50% of eating is what you see on your plate, so take the time to place the food with a visual appeal so you can impress your friends. Finally, put on some nice relaxing music and enjoy your crispy vegan corn fritters with a delicious healthy salad.